friend. Welcome to Western Mom Show. Today I will teach you to how to make Oreo shake. You can see we want to take an empty jar. You can see this is an empty jar. Now we have to take one Oreo packet. You can take vanilla cream, but I have take choco cream because I like choco cream. First you have to peel it. You can see first we have to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we have to take some milk. So I go for milk and wait. I come. So you can see this is my milk. Now I add it. I have kept it. Now I take we have to take some sugar.
You have to add sugar?
Yes, we have to add some sugar. Some, not much. Some 2 and 3. 3 small spoons. If you have like this big spoons or this big spoons, so you can take only one tip of spoon. Then there is my mixture.
Be careful.
Yes. 3, 2, 1. Wait, just 2 more. Because we have to crush more, then it will taste very good.
Oh, I see. Fine.
Yes, fine.
So you wash it also?
Yes, I also. Then I take 1 mug.
Oh, nice mug.
Thank you. You can see how it's made.
Oh, it is looking very yummy.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh